You're here because you feel it right now. That deep, aching sadness. It might be a quiet hum or a crushing wave. And you're searching for a way through. Good. That search is the first act of courage. 2,000 years ago, the Stoic philosophers didn't offer empty promises of a life without pain. They offered something far more powerful, a way to meet your sadness, to understand it, and to not let it destroy you. This isn't a distraction. This is a toolkit for your soul. Whenever you feel sad in life, watch this. Let's rebuild from the ground up. Step 1. Don't resist the wave, learn to sail it. Your first instinct is to fight the sadness, to yell at it to go away. The Stoic asks a different question: what if you stopped fighting? This feeling is not a flaw, it's a signal. It is part of the human weather. You cannot stop the wave from coming, but you can learn to keep your balance. Acknowledge it. Say, I feel sadness. By naming it, you separate yourself from it. You are not the storm, you are the sailor experiencing it. And a good sailor respects the sea. Step 2. Ask the Stoic question: what is within my control? Sadness often floods from feeling powerless. Right now, draw a mental circle. Inside that circle, put only what is truly yours, your judgments, your actions, your responses. Everything else, what people think, past events, future worries, place outside. Your power lives inside the circle. You cannot control the first thought that pops up, but you can control the second one, and the action that follows. Focus your energy there. That is your domain, your kingdom. Step 3. Practice the view from above. When sadness makes your world feel small and dark, you must deliberately expand it. Close your eyes. See yourself from above, your room, your town, the continent, the spinning blue marble of Earth. Now, stretch time. See the centuries of people who have felt this exact human ache. Your pain is real, but it is not unique. You are connected to a long, resilient line of souls who have endured. This perspective doesn't erase your sadness, it places it in the vast story of humanity. You are not alone in this feeling. You are human. Step 4. Find anchors in the present moment. Sadness pulls you into the past, regret, or the future, dread. Your peace is found only in the now. The Stoics called this mindfulness. Engage your senses with intention. Feel the solid floor under your feet. Listen to one specific sound. Trace the rim of your glass. This moment, right here, is neutral. It is just what is. By anchoring yourself in a simple, present task, making tea, folding laundry, taking 10 deliberate breaths, you pull yourself out of the story of suffering and into the reality of existence. Peace lives in these small, claimable moments. Step 5. Transform why me into what now. Sadness loves the question why. Why is this happening? Why do I feel this way? It's a bottomless pit. The Stoic shifts the question. Ask instead, what now? What strength can this develop in me? What small, virtuous action can I take despite this feeling? This is the alchemy. You take the raw, heavy lead of sadness and transform it into the gold of character. Can you be kind, even now? Can you be useful, even now? That is how you build an unshakable self. Step 6. Remember the impermanence of all things. Marcus Aurelius wrote to himself, remember that all is opinion. The sadness you feel is filtered through your current opinion. And like all things, it will change. It is a season in your inner world. It will not last forever. This fact is not dismissive, it is liberating. You have weathered seasons before. You have the strength to weather this one. Nothing is permanent, not your joy, and not your sorrow. This too shall pass. Your job is not to escape the season, but to live through it with dignity. Your path through the fog. Sadness is not a sign you are broken. It is a sign you are alive, that you care, that you are in the arena of life. The Stoic doesn't seek a life without these feelings, they seek a life where these feelings do not rule. You have that power within you. You've always had it. So the next time you feel the sadness rise, come back to this. Return to your breath. Return to your circle of control. Return to the present moment. You are the calm center. You are the one who gets to decide what this feeling means, and what you will build in spite of it. Thank you for watching, especially in this moment. By seeking this wisdom, you've already taken the first step out of the shadows. Carry this with you. You are stronger than your sadness, and your story is worthy of being lived with courage all the way through.